How to get McDonald's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in McDonald's promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo codes. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I will be opening this one, Los Angeles. With that, you're gonna find great deals and offers. $10 off, 50% off, and so on. If you're interested in any of the offer, all you have to do is click on the option of Show More. With that, you will get the details of the code. Now to use it, click on View Coupon. So here is the promo code. You can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of McDonald's, make your order, and whenever you check out, apply this promo code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click the option of Visit McDonald's. With that, you will be directed to the official website of McDonald's. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and whenever you check out, apply this promo code and get the discount. Using these promo codes, you can get up to $100 off. Likewise, you can also check out these websites. These websites will also provide you promo codes. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can get up to $100 McDonald's promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.